Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change billing or shipping addresses in Apple Pay on iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Changing billing and shipping addresses is really helpful when using, for example, Express Checkout. More on Express Checkout is included in the video about how to use Apple Pay for online payments. This video is mainly about changing the shipping address, but shortly I'm gonna explain that changing it will let you quickly order things online and your iPhone will automatically send your shipping address to the merchant without you really needing to enter it manually, which I think is a really great option. Now, if you'd like to change your billing shipping address, go to Wallet, then select the card that you'd like to apply the shipping address to. Click on three dots in top right corner and click on Card Details. Now, scroll down and find billing address. You can see this is the billing address that I have set. I can enter new billing address, and I can enter it manually or just search for it. And you can see it's there. So yeah, that's how you can set it. Then it's gonna work. I'm gonna show you that on an example of the Nike website. So if I went here to Express Checkout options, you can see I can select my contact and I can select my shipping address. I'm gonna select this one, and you can see it does everything for me. It selects the shipping method. I can double click to pay and it's done. I don't need to enter any details. That's great. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.